Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create 4K quality editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created with Capcut, and I'm going to create 4K quality editing for this video. And I'm going to go to the adjustment. We're going to adjust the grab. Go to the grab menu here, and then you can follow my adjustment. Okay, you can make the grab like this for all the colors. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark. Alright, and then we're going to export this video. You can choose this quality, and wait, I'm going to choose 4K quality. And for sorry, we cannot choose 4K guys, because it's not free. And for the frame rate, you need to choose 30, and I'm going to click on export. Okay, and the next one, we're going to create new project. I'm going to go back to the Capcut homepage, click on new project, and then I'm going to import the original video, this one. Click on add, and I'm going to overlay it with the video we have just exported. Wait, the video is here. Okay, and then we're going to fit the screen like this, and I'm going to go to the splice menu, click on the second video, and then click on splice and choose the color burn. And then we're going to change the ratio to 30, around 30 to 35. Okay, and then I'm going to add the white background. I'm going to add overlay, go to the Capcut library, and then I'm going to search for the white background. I'm going to choose photo and choose this one guys. Add it to your project, and then you're going to blend it. Wait, I'm going to make it align with the video, and then we can go to the splice menu, and for this one I'm going to choose the overlay mode, and then we're going to set the ratio to 70, around 70, like this, and click on the check mark, and now it's done. This is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.